This time on Irate Garage, we're going to see why the plow on my 1996 Ford F350 doesn't want to turn. It'll go to the right just fine, but when you go to turn to the left, it kind of hangs up and it doesn't want to go. I think it's just a cable adjustment. I've pretty much ruled out ice somewhere. Let's get into it. Now, I already have this somewhat open, because when it quit working on me, I thought maybe this was full of ice, and that does not appear to be the case. So I think we need to adjust it. So first thing we're going to want to do is loosen up. Just want to loosen up just enough so that we can spin that. This is just a jam nut. I'm not sure which way this has to go. So we're just going to turn it. And we'll just set that. And we'll see what the plow does. Kind of the same thing. No difference. Do that. We're going to spin it a little more this way. And if that doesn't change it, we'll look and go the other way. I honestly don't know. If anything, that seems worse. Okay, so let's go the other way. All right. We'll see if that fixes it. Very interesting. Well, let's keep going. Oh, now it seems like it's working hard. Going to the right, too. Wondering if that's not the problem. Because now it's going slow to the right, too. But it's like it goes and it stops. I'm not sure. That's a new problem for me. I haven't had that one before. And that goes great to the right. I think I'm just gonna, yeah, let's keep going that way. Oh, fantastic. Oh, landed right on top of the snow. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Oh, that's the wrong way, isn't it? I want it to be longer. Taller. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. Knock everything down kind of day. Hear my camera focusing. I'm hoping it's focusing on something good. Turns, but it's a little slow. If we go to the right, hauls ass. Also sounds like it labors a little bit going to the left. So we'll just loosen that up and keep making that taller. And we'll tighten that up. Interesting. All right. So it would appear that we went way too far. So we're gonna screw that in a little bit here. Be nice if I'd quit dropping the damn Allen wrench. All right. Goes, it's a little slow. really fast to the right. We're getting there, I think. That feels really good. I think I'm just going to tweak it a little more. And that's probably it. Let's make sure that works right. Oh. Okay. Go ahead and put that back where we had it. Oh, that feels good. Well, hot damn, I think we're pretty damn close. Now, it seems to be working fine right now. What was kind of an issue that was coming up was I would get it to work, smack it with a hammer, add fluid, something like that, and I would get it to work for just a few minutes, and then when I went to move it again, it wouldn't. Now, I haven't plowed in a while, so I think I'm going to do a little tidy up stuff here, and we will see. I'm going to put the cover back on, and then we'll do that. Go ahead and make sure that's tight. Make sure that's tight. I think that actually came loose and was causing and allowed it to slip on me. So, because you can turn that without loosening that screw, but I like to just to keep it from wearing on it more than it needs to. If you know what I mean. Ah, it's still fucking up. Try that again. There we go. Right, just fine. It actually goes really fast. Oh, okay. Don't want to turn. Well, there it goes. Goes right real fast. Oh, there it goes. Huh. That's better, but it's not correct. Oh, yeah. there you go. I think we're gonna call it there. I'm gonna keep an eye on that because it still seems a little hinky. I think there's a check ball in there or something that gets stuck. So I guess we're just gonna keep an eye on that and see what happens. If you look here, you'll see a video about me getting this truck ready for winter. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.